Watch, they're almost here. Can't wing line them wings out.
Oh, wow. No. Okay.
Getting into position. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of Earth. No dragons required. Just
Too tight on the leg.
legs explode when they hatch, so just keep moving forward. No. Forward. Look, you know which way is forward, right? Oh no, the eggs are hatching.
That's a nice ride.
Maybe you're right, bud. Maybe there'll never be anything like